Adding premium channels on YouTube TV gives you access to exclusive movies, shows, and live content from networks like HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, and more. Here's how to add them in just a few steps. Start by opening YouTube TV on your phone, smart TV, or computer. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. From the left menu, choose Membership. You'll see a full list of available premium add-ons. These include channels like HBO Max, Showtime, Starz, Cinemax, AMC+, NBA League Pass, NFL Sunday Ticket, and many others. Each add-on has a monthly price listed next to it. To subscribe, simply check the box next to the add-on you want. A confirmation screen will appear. Tap Agree to add it to your subscription. The charge will be added to your next billing cycle. You can start watching your premium channel immediately. Go back to the Home, Library, or Live tab to see new shows, movies, and categories updated automatically. If you share YouTube TV with family members, all profiles get access to your premium channels, though recommendations remain personalized. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.